Five T's of email marketing. The first one is target, second one is timing, third one is template, fourth one is testing, and fifth one is tracking. The first one, target. Identify your target audience or target customer so that you can send your targeted message to them and tell them like this is that service and products we are offering, and you have to target your audience based on that. Second one, timing. Identify the suitable time for customer time so that you can send the message to them, and in that case you can increase your open rates and click rates. Third one, template. Use the best template so that your subscriber, your customers can open in any devices, so that it will also increase your open rates and click rates. And also they can see your content properly in a properly manner. And the fourth one is testing. Before sending your mail to your subscribers, your customers, you have to test it based on your subject line, based on your content, so that if it is so that your per click rates and open rates, and you will get more sales. And the last one is tracking. Once you send to your customers or to your subscriber the same message, you can track you can track the result, and like which how many click rates, open rates you are getting, so that in the future you can create the same type of content, same type of subject line, and you can send them. So these are the 5 T's. If you follow these 5 principles or 5 T's of email marketing, definitely will boost your sales and you'll get more leads or more results. Thank you so much.